Hang on, let me get that there. Get this one right there. Okay. Oh, let me help you get you started here. Ready? Go. Go. A little more. Oh. Perfect.
Now, what you need to do is grab your thing right here.
Okay. Think you can fit in there with that?
Yeah. I like my razor up here.
Put these fans on Craigslist too. Let's see if they need.
Or necklace didn't buy any of them.
I know. He didn't buy any of them.
Wrench, please.
Wrench, please. I'll get you a wrench.
Is this anything we need?
Yes.
Too small.
Too small?
Just tight.
Here, let me show you something. Let me get you out here a second. Scoot down just a little bit. That way your head's on here. There you go. All right. I'll get you a bigger wrench if I can find one.
A screwdriver.
Screwdriver? I got one of those.
Yeah.
There you go, sir.
I need the little one.
You need a tool too?
I need a little one.
A little screwdriver?
I need a little one. Come on.
You want the big screwdriver?
This will help me, okay? That'll work. Make it only one people can be here. Only one.
Well, he got his own right there.
Yeah. Will this one work, you think? What are you doing, Jaggers? You want a wrench?
You want to do? You can do wrench on your. You wanna-
You getting it fixed, Luke?
I think I need a change.
Okay.
Why is it both like this?
That's a good question.
So is this one
Oh, it's
small?
yeah, you're right. I'm not sure.
Let me see if it is.
You can wrench on that, Jake.
You want to go back in there underneath?
Yeah.
I can't. Nope,
It's up to the. Oh,
that's small enough.
it's right there.
Nope.
It's not small enough.
I might need a whole toolbox over here.
Well, my other tools are upstairs, I think.
What about just the toolbox of your?
Oh yeah. How about go get your toys off your workbench?
Your workbench toolbox.
Yeah.
I just,
Put them in that little yellow thing you have.
You want to get on there, Jaggers? There you go. Lay down. I'll push you underneath. You gotta put your butt down. Your butt's gonna hit.
Dickie, lay on your back, honey. Flip over and lay on your
Boop,
back.
butt. Boop, butt. There you go. Boop, boop, boop. There you go. Here you're getting the right idea. There you go. Perfect. You ready to ranch? Hang on, Jake's working on something
Just
down
let
there.
him work a little bit. You're fine.
I need to get out. I need to get working.
You do need to get working. You want me to push you underneath?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Maybe what we'll do is we'll set your toolbox right here. That way you can reach your tools right there.
Think I got a hammer?
Are you hammering back there? Use a wrench, Luke. Or you need a hammer.
I need that hammer.
Oh. Is it fixed yet?
Nope. I might need a special tool. Like a screwdriver. I think I got another screwdriver for you, Bart. I got a screwdriver for you, Bud. This is my toolbox. Look.
You can take a couple tools out of there and play though.
Luke, he can have a tool.
I got some tools.
Well, I think you should be less worried about your tools and get fixing. Get fixing them tools. If they're fixing your gear.
I got a wrench. A hammer. God, hammer. I might need earplugs.
My what?
You're fine.
I locked it forever. How did you even do that? How did you do that?
See this one, honey? This one's about.
Oh, look at it.
There's only one person. I think she's ready to roll again.
Is she ready to roll? All right, let's get out of there and we'll back it off the ramps.
And second, we have to leave where they are. I'll give it a tool and start heading on back. Do you want to ride back? No.
Now you like mommy, watch where you're backing up into.
Good job, Luke. Is it all fixed?
Back here. Uh-oh. I'm I still need to fix the rodeo.
The rodeo?
I still have to Don't worry, Dad.
I'll help you.
I'll get over on the other side of it. Look at work. Jakey?
He can play with the tools. Get in here and you're driving.
Nothing's over. That's it. I'm getting on back. Get on my new fit.
All right.
So I've got extra tools. An extra lock. I need a screw here. Here's a screw I need. Here's a screw. I need to take off the bolt and get this off.
All right, Luke. He can play with your toolbox, so you're gonna get over it, okay? You do your screw, and if you need a different tool, I'll get it for you.
I need a screwdriver this way.
You need a wrench to wrench tight.
No.
You need a screwdriver.
I need a.
Okay, there you go.
You could do that.
Here, you want me to push you in there? No driving now with your brother underneath it. Make a noise.
Mine's trying to focus. I need a hammer, please.
Jake, can you give Luke a hammer for me? Can you get Luke a hammer? Thank you.
Thanks, bud. Put these here. No, not this hammer. Give me the other hammer. Give me that hammer right there.
How do we have nicely?
Please. Thanks, bud.
Good job.
Now it's your turn. Making my best helper.
He sure is.
Now I can you please grab me a ranch? Please give me a ranch. Ranch, please. Ranch. And we might need to get this higher. Oh yeah, I forgot. We need a piece of wood
Why?
for the back wheel.
So it doesn't roll?
Yeah,
That's a very good idea.
we need
Well, there's a piece of wood right over here.
we need it cut in half.
No, I'm not going to cut any wood right now. That'll work.
Thanks, Mom. But it has to be like square. It has to be a square.
Why?
Because I need it like square.
Try that one for now. We'll get you a square one tomorrow.
I get an idea. We can pop it up. We need to put this thing up. That'll take two people. One playing under the wood.
You want me to lift the tire up so you can put that underneath it?
And don't let it go down. Can you please lift it up again?
Sure.
Now I need another.
We're running low on pieces of wood.
Oh no. I need to cut this in half.
We'll have to do that a different day.
Or I got an idea.
What's your idea?
We need to cut it. We need something to make
You ready to come back out?
I need salt.
You need what?
I need salt.
No, get wrenching on your Ranger.
I need salt.
We're not going to saw that tonight.
Ah! I got an idea.
Is that working?
No, too hard.
Too hard?
I need someone to cut it.
Just wrench on your Ranger. We'll get some more wood blocks tomorrow for you.
I need to cut it right now.
Do I?
We're not cutting it. Okay?
I need
No, you need to not do it.
Ooh.
Not doing it now.
Thank you. We're going up some stairs.
All right, Luke, can you say goodbye, everybody?
Goodbye.
Thanks for coming.
Jakers, can you say bye?
Bye.
Thank you.